Hello everyone, it's spring break, March 2023. We are Dark Dimensions Haunted House, and we're on our spring break trip. This will be a vlog video. All right, so we're at the Kemah Boardwalk in Kemah, Texas, which is right by Houston, on the outskirts of Houston. There's this boardwalk over here. During spring break, it's really packed. We're gonna check it out, give you a walkthrough tour. Unfortunately, the Boardwalk Bullet, which is their main ride over here, isn't working. So you can check out some of these, like this two-story Carousel. They have a Ferris wheel. They have some other carnival rides. They have a train that I was interested in. See, right over there is the Boardwalk Bullet, a wooden roller coaster that looks really awesome. You want to ride the Ferris wheel, Jen? No, you don't?
I would have waited in line.
Yeah, look how long the line is just by tickets. All right, so I saw this was the train entrance right here. All right, so there's their train. They go in soon. So at Kemah, the Boardwalk Bullet, which is this roller coaster right here, this is the reason I came to Kemah Boardwalk. Right now it looks like the roller coaster is not running. They're just doing some testing on it. I'm gonna stick around and see because I really want to ride this ride. Right now the entrance to the sign is saying currently unavailable. Then at the ticket booth, it's saying that the ride's delayed. They're still running tests on it. This is the third time I've seen a train go by. They're just empty trains. Here's some more views of the Boardwalk Bullet. I was hoping that it would be, like I said, they tested it 3 times. I was hoping that they would finally run it. I mean, it's a shame that like on spring break, one of their busiest times, it's not running. And we drove 4 hours just to get here. Would you go up on there, Jen? The tower that spins so you can see all of this. Another ride they have over here is the Ferris Fury. So here's this view right on the side of the Kemah.